Hello everyone. Welcome to Agricultural Crop Production, Grade 11, Quarter 2, MELG 3. I am Ma'am Russell and I am very excited to bring to you today's lesson. Now, set your mind as we explore the world of agriculture. Before we go through our lesson, remember that after this lesson, you must be able to observe routine maintenance of nursery and other workplaces. Now that we are set, let's proceed to our lesson. Agriculture is one of the most hazardous sectors in terms of work-related accidents. Maintenance activities in agriculture are very diverse. It includes maintenance and repair of machines, equipment, and vehicles. It also includes maintenance of farmyards, buildings, bins, and tanks, the maintenance of drainage and irrigation systems, and roads are also under these utilities. One of the most important maintenance activities is done in plant nurseries. This kind of activity is called preventive maintenance, which is a technique used to ensure the quality of its nursery and grown plant. The following are the routine maintenance in nursery and other workplaces. Number 1. Pruning of plants to ensure good health and structure. Number 2. Routine grooming of crops. Number 3. Removing of debris from ground cloth to reduce slips and falls. Number 4. Repotting of containerized plants to prevent encircling roots and to allow growth on its desired natural form without girdling. Number 5. Applying the appropriate fertilizer. Number 6. Providing shade, cover, or transferring plants shed houses as needed. Number 7. Watering as needed. Number 8. Grouping of plants by sizes and watering needs. Why do we need to maintain or manage the nursery properly? It is important that plant nursery should be managed properly. If not, effort and money will turn into nothing and waste of investment. A properly organized plant nursery can become a source of income. Remember that most hazards can be prevented if we are prepared. The same goes in the risks that are present in plant nurseries. It must also be remembered that maintenance activities are done for a reason and for the sake of every worker. And that is all for today. I hope that you learned something from our lesson today, and I hope that you will be able to apply these in your plant nursery. Remember that a happy workplace is a safe workplace. Once again, this is Ma'am Russell for Agricultural Crop Production Grade 11, and I am very happy to be part of your day. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye!